I'm alone. Isaac. Isaac, wave. Isaac, wave. Yeah, we decided to ride the gondola. Oh no, Isaac, we got stuck. Oh my god, we got stuck. Isaac, we got stuck. Say hi. Wave. We actually got stuck in the middle of our ride going to the top. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. But I'm just swaying. And my son, Isaac, nasa sunod na na ride. Ito mark niya. Isaac, you smile the third post. Sweet. Very sweet. You need to smile, Isaac. Smile. You look funny. Always doing those facial expression that I don't know. Masaya dito. So all the while kanina, while we were riding the cart, nauna si Isaac. He wanted to to go first and fast. Kasi talagang wala kami makuhang video of him. Siguro just a little, yung beginning lang. Sorry guys, nasipon ako because it's really cold out here. So yun, you can see the mountain ranges, some snow capped, and ito yung sea of clouds. Kanina medyo clear na. Pardon me coughing, kasi talagang sama pa rin na pakiramdam namin for 2 weeks straight because of really the cold weather. But we're managing. Baka masanay kami dito. So dito kailangan mong bumaba agad. Hi guys. Yes, and I have to run. And there's Isaac. Oh, saya, di ba? Say hi. Hindi ka meron pa daw? Dito Mark will take a leak first. So, yun, share ko ulit kung ano nangyayari. So that's us kanina, managing our way to that track. I'm sorry for that. Look at that. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Amazing work of nature. Amazing work of God. Thank you, Lord. for giving us this opportunity to experience this kind of, activities, and of course the beauty of nature rolled into one, and of course with my family. And of course, lots of beautiful people from all across.